everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
Today Grandpa and I are going to eat Depression-era food all day. Let's see how much it will cost us to eat for a day in 2024. For breakfast, we each are having 2 slices of French toast that I've made with 2 eggs, water, and 4 slices of bread. We are topping the French toast with a little maple syrup. We are having a cup of coffee with our French toast. The eggs cost us 30 cents. The bread cost us 68 cents. The maple syrup cost us 40 cents. The coffee cost 66 cents. The total for breakfast is $2.04.
For lunch, we are each having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We are using natural peanut butter and strawberry jelly. On the side, we are having 1 sliced apple. We are drinking a glass of water with our lunch. The bread cost us 68 cents. The peanut butter cost us 48 cents. The jelly cost us 16 cents. The apples cost us $1.63. The total for lunch is $2.95.
For a snack this afternoon, we are each having 2 cornflake macaroons. To make these macaroons, we will post a link to our video in the comments below. We are having a cup of tea with our macaroons. The macaroons cost us 60 cents. The tea cost us 4 cents. The total for a snack is 64 cents.
For dinner, Grandma and I are having field mouse pie. This very old recipe actually calls for 5 field mice. Grandma is using sausages instead of mice. To make this recipe, we will post a link to our video in the comments below. On the side, we are having some corn on the cob. We are drinking unsweetened iced tea with our dinner. The sausages cost us $1.18. The macaroni costs us 16 cents. The cheese costs us 66 cents. Onion costs us 4 cents. The tomatoes cost us 58 cents. The crackers cost us 20 cents. The tea costs us 4 cents. The corn on the cob costs 34 cents for a total dinner cost of $3.20.
For dessert today, we are having some homemade cake called War Cake, Depression Cake, and Poor Man's Cake. This is a recipe with no eggs and no milk. It has very few ingredients. It's a cheap cake to make. We will post a link to the video that shows you how to make it. We are having a cup of tea with our dessert. For the 2 pieces that we are eating, the cost for the cake is 67 cents. The cost for the tea is 4 cents. The total for dessert is 71 cents. So when you add up all of our meals for the day, the grand total was $9.54, and that is for 2 people. The cost per person was $4.77, and that is how much it cost us to eat Great Depression era food all day in 2024. As you can see, these meals are still economical and help to keep food costs low. Nowadays, we always look for sales whenever we shop and try to eat what's in season. We hope this video was helpful for you.